Today's topic is to remove the given substring from the end of the string. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, method 2 by using a regular expression, and the method 3 by using the replace function. Let's start from the first method, that is the basic approach. So first we are going to initialize our string and the substring, that is the string number 1 as the string and the string number 2 as the substring. After that we are going to use the string slicing and the ends with method. So how is this gonna work is we have set an if condition that if our string is going to get ended with the string number 2, then we are going to use this string slicing over here, in which we are going to remove the last substring, that is minus of the length of the string number 2. So what it's going to do is it's going to first take the index of the string number 2 from the string number 1, that is up to here. So after that we are removing it using the string slicing, so that is the colon and to the minus of the length of our string number 2. So that's how we are going to remove it, and the remaining portions of the position, that is from the 0 up to the string, while removing the substring, we are going to get store those particular elements into the string number 3, and we have them as an output.